All right, what's happening, Kim folks? Before we get the video started, man, I just want to let y'all know Kemi Moto hooked us up with a discount code. If you use Knuckles TV at checkout, you'll get 10% off, and then the discount code will expire August 30th, 2023. So make sure you jump on that deal. If you're looking for the Floorboard Extensions, just click the link down below, take you straight to it. So appreciate you and appreciate Kemi Moto for hooking us up with the discount code. Let's go ahead and get started on the video. What's happening, Kim folk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you today, man. We are working on the brother-in-law's bike again. Man, the brother-in-law just putting some shit on there, huh? Uh-huh. You getting some shit on there. So what we're doing today, man, is we reached out to our friends over at Kemi Moto, right here, right? Kemi Moto, and what we're doing is we're gonna be doing some floorboard extensions. So stay tuned. We're gonna install those and show you what they look like and show you the quality and everything like that. So hang on, we'll be back in just a minute. See ya. All right, Kim folks, so let me show you exactly what we got over here in the box when you ever, if you order these. So these are, what size are these, Gabriel?
No, 1 inch, 1 inch. It's 1 inch.
So he went 1 inch spacers. So I actually have floorboard spacers on mine as well, right? But I don't have the Kemi Moto ones. And let me tell you, I should have went with these because just looking at them, they look a lot better than what I have. I just got the little cheap ones off of Amazon. These here look really good, man. So we're gonna go over these, show you what they look like. The reason for getting them, Gabriel, is what's your reason behind getting the floorboard extensions?
More room on my feet. They're hitting the engine, and I need more space.
So that's gonna bring the floorboards out.
It's gonna bring the floorboards out, and it'll allow me to rest my foot better on my highway pegs.
Yeah. Yeah, because right now, he showed me this the other day when he was talking about getting them. So his foot's hitting right up on here on the primary cover, right? And so it's scratching it all up. He just wrote in, that sumbitch is hot. But he's getting that all scratched up. So what he's wanting to do is bring these out, right? So they have, I think it was 3/4, 1 inch.
I can't remember that. I think they do offer 1.5 inch.
Yeah. If you want to check them out, man, we'll leave the link down below. You can check it out and you can see the different sizes on there. So let's measure these out right now. All right, so we're gonna measure these and show you what we start out with as far as stock, and then we'll measure them after we install these floorboard extensions from Kemi Moto. So thank you very much, Kemi Moto. Appreciate you working with the channel. So let's go ahead and get these installed, and we're gonna start breaking these down. So the tools we're gonna use today, 5/16 Allen, and then of course, impact, because we love using power tools. All right, let's get to it. All right, Kim folk. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna measure just the spacing right here, right? So we're gonna show you what it looks like before we take these off. So from here to there is 1 inch. So I'm assuming with another inch, it's gonna give us almost 2 inches, right? Space in there. This here from the exhaust to the floorboard is, yeah, a little under 1 inch there. All we gotta do is if you come on this side, Gabriel's gonna start taking these off, right? Here and here. So he's just gonna remove these bolts, and then we'll be able to take the floorboard off and we'll add the spacers to it. So they evidently got some tight-ass Loctite on that shit. We're gonna need Loctite too, Gabriel.
Obviously need 2 people.
Damn, that's something on there.
Yeah, let's try the other one.
So we're doing this right before this Colorado trip that we're going on. And we leave Sunday.
Yeah, it definitely got Loctite on it.
Yeah, it's got the tight shit on there. Gabriel's excited about that, huh?
Oh, yes.
So we're gonna try to make this and see what the difference is as far as comfort for him. This isn't that difficult of a job, but it's obviously got a lot of Loctite from the factory.
You figure with all this heat it'll be melted?
Yeah, right. On there, as you can tell, he's got a tab on that. So with this one, okay, there's 2 spacers that go in the rear, right? One of them's longer, one of them's shorter. The shorter one goes on the right side, front brake side. And then your longer one's gonna go on the clutch side, okay? So, and you got the little tabs there, just like the stock floorboards got. So you gotta make sure that goes on there just like that.
I think it's only one way, because the spacing of the hole is different on both sides.
Look at the quality, bro. So it's aluminum, huh?
Yeah, it's aluminum. It's all cut out on the CNC, I believe. It's one piece.
Yeah, it looks dope, man. Look at that. I mean, it's black with the cutout on there, CNC part on there. Really nice. Finish is good. Looks good. So let's get it on there and see what it does, bro. So on your bolts, you're gonna have 2 long ones and 4 short ones. This got lock washer on it as well.
You'll put a little Loctite in here? Yep. It's good. I think this is gonna need a short one, bro.
Okay, so your shorter bolt's gonna go in the rear. So then you got the front spacer and your longer bolt. Whoo, yeah. Damn, look at the space on that thing already, dude.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.
How tight we go, Gabriel?
It's good and tight.
Good and tight.
It's a German word.
Hell yeah. All right, so that's one side done. Let's do the other side, and then we'll show you what they look like after they finish, man. Like I said, it's a super install. I mean, a super easy install. So, but it gives you, for me, like I said, I've got spacers on mine as well, and it gives you a totally different position, right? Riding position, it gives you more room to put your feet out. So I'm gonna help Gabriel get these off, and then we'll get back with you in a minute. Gabriel got done installing them. So now let's check them out and see what the spacing is on them first. So if you remember over here,
It was a little under 1 inch.
Yep, a little under an inch. Now you got 2 inches, bro. Straight on 2 inches. This side, straight on 2 inches. So they true to size, man. That's good, right? So now we're gonna let Gabriel go ahead and sit on this thing and see what he thinks about it. Oh, bro, look at your feet.
My feet don't hit the engine no more,
Dang.
and it's closer to my peg. Look at this. Oh yeah.
That's nice, bro.
Oh yeah.
They make a big difference, right?
Yeah, big difference.
Hell yeah, man.
I like that.
And to be honest with you, man, like, you're gonna have to polish the floorboard mounts because the Kemi Moto spacers are a lot shinier than your floorboard mounts. Hell yeah. So like I said, man, just an easy install. A great product though, because it gives you different positioning on your feet, and it allows you to have different, to where you're not rubbing on the primary cover there. So gives you more space. And then like you said, Gabriel, it's gonna give you different positionings for the highway pegs, right?
Yeah, the reach to the pegs are just right there. You got them closer to, so I can rest my heel better on the actual floorboard. Yeah.
That's dope, man. That's dope. So again, Kemi Moto, I appreciate it. Thank you so much, man. Brother-in-law is really gonna enjoy these, especially when we go on this trip. Like I said, we're gonna be rolling to Colorado here this weekend. We leave, and so y'all stay tuned for those videos, man. We're gonna ride the $1 Million Highway and a bunch of other stuff. So $1 Million Highway is one of the main things we're doing, though. So can't wait. We'll get more video on what Gabriel thinks as far as the comfort with having these floorboard extensions, and then see what he thinks about the whole positioning and everything, right? So
Yes.
we'll do that as well, man. So yeah, y'all go give Kemi Moto a follow, man, on Instagram, and then go check out their website, KEMIMOTO.com, and let them know Knuckles sent you. So until next time, till next install, till next review, much love, much respect.
Knuckles out.
See ya!